Hello everyone. I'd like, first of all, to thank the organizers of this conference for inviting me here today and welcome to my presentation. In the past 15 years, based on information in Figure 1, the Compass 100 Index experienced the lowest daily return on 8th of October 2008 with a decrease of minus 11.84% and the highest daily return on 26th of March 2020 with an increase of 13.08%. As shown in Table 1, the lowest and the highest average daily returns over the last 15 years were minus 5.54% and 5.54% respectively. In addition, the daily return range for 15 years stretched from 5.46% to 21.33%, with a daily return range on average of 11.08%. The economic crisis in 2008 had a significant impact on the Compass 100 Index. At the beginning of 2008, the Compass 100 Index was at 697 points, but until 8th of October 2008, it fell to 349 points or a 49.88% correction from the beginning of the year. Furthermore, based on the daily return on the Compass 100 Index from January to December 2008, as presented in Figure 2, it can be inferred that the weakening and strengthening of the Compass 100 Index in 2008 ranged from minus 11.84% to 8.74% per day. The Compass 100 Index continued to fluctuate and was at the level of 330.86 at the end of 2008, or down 52.54% from the position at the beginning of the year. Meanwhile, the economic and health crisis in 2020 also had a significant impact on the Compass 100 Index. According to daily return information between January and December 2020, Figure 3 shows that the Compass 100 Index weakened and strengthened at a rate of minus 8.24% to 13.08% per day. The Compass 100 Index started the 2020 crisis at 1.274 points, but as of 9th of March 2020, it fell to 1.021 points or 19.87% corrected. While the information above shows that the Compass 100 Index experienced considerable volatility from 2008 to 2021, therefore, the potential for creating large risks in the future for investors increases with increasing uncertainty. As can be seen on the slide, the researchers employs Black-Scholes since it is ideal from a scientific standpoint to use continuous time. Black-Scholes application makes the most sense from a scientific perspective. The imperfection lies in the variance. Garch, generalized autoregressive conditional heteroscedasticity. It is characterized by the fact that volatility and correlation are not constant. The Garch model seeks to monitor changes in volatility or correlation over time. The long straddle strategy is a profit-making technique that works well in case the stock price movement is adequate, both up and down. In this method, investors will buy put and call options with the same benchmark stock, expiration date, and strike price. The study examined the precision of the option model, especially the Black-Scholes option model and the Garch model, thus employing a verification approach. Checking, verifying, assuring, and ensuring were all terms used to describe the verification process. The researcher compared the error of the Black-Scholes technique with historical volatility and the error of the Black-Scholes method with Garch volatility. The researchers analyzed average mean square error to evaluate and analyze using the Black-Scholes and Garch model. As a result, for a period of 1 month, the call option Garch model is better than the Black-Scholes model, and the put option for the Black-Scholes model is better than the Garch model. For a period of 3 months, the call option of the Black-Scholes model is better than the Garch model, and the put option of the Garch model is better than the Black-Scholes model. It can be shown that the crisis year generates a higher error value than the non-crisis year in both the Black-Scholes and Garch volatility models for a period of 1 month and 3 months. The Black-Scholes model's error rate is lower in a crisis year solely for the put option for 1 month period. The Garch model only has a lesser error rate on call options in non-crisis year for a 1 month period. The mistake rate that happens in both option model increases with the length of the agreement. According to this study, a 3-month period had a larger mistake rate than a 1-month period did. Then, it was found that the largest percentage was in the profit area in each of the Black-Scholes and Garch models for a period of 1 month, and the largest percentage was in the loss area in each model for a period of 3 months. This is based on the predicted profit potential when using the long straddle strategy for a 3-month period in both crisis and non-crisis periods. To reduce the error rate obtained, it is hoped that further research can use more precise model in modeling and calculating the volatility of an underlying asset. In the case of asset hedging, the lower the error rate in measuring the modeling volatility, the better the investment. Okay, as in conclusion, the Garch model was found to be more precise in comparison to the Black-Scholes model for call option during the 1-month option period, while the Black-Scholes model was more precise for put options. The second, the Black-Scholes model was found to be more accurate in comparison to the Garch model for call options over a 3-month option period, while the Garch model was more precise for put options. The third, in the crisis year, the Garch model was found to be more precise in comparison to the Black-Scholes model for call option during the 1-month option period, while the Black-Scholes model was more precise for put options. The fourth, in the crisis year, the Garch model was found to be more precise in comparison to the Black-Scholes model for call and put options for a 3-month option period. And the fifth, in non-crisis years, the Garch model was found to be more accurate in comparison to the Black-Scholes model for call options during the 1-month option period, while the Black-Scholes model was more precise for put options. And the sixth, in non-crisis years, the Black-Scholes model was found to be more precise in comparison to the Garch model for call and put option for a 3-month option period. Thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention.